Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to tell you how you can be scoring more than 7 band in your IELTS exam. If you want to have a really great score, make sure you follow all these points and get your score. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing that you have to do is that you have to prepare very smartly and make sure you analyze your weaknesses. Every student has its own weaknesses basically. Someone might be not so good at writing, while someone might not be good at speaking. So make sure you know what your weakness is and then eventually work on that, because every section is very important. It's not like you can score really good in some sections and then slack off in some other. You have to be very good at all the sections in order to get a well-rounded good score. The next thing is to assess your own strengths. So just like everyone has their own weaknesses, everyone also has their own strengths. So if you have something really good on your side, for example, if you are really good at writing, make sure you work on that pretty much so that you can be very good at that, and then you can have a great score in writing, so that even if you falter in some other sections, you might be able to balance it out. The next thing to do is to actually assess the assessment. So before you know what you have to study the paper, you actually have to know what the paper is all about. So if you actually know how the evaluation takes place, if you know what the people who are checking the paper want in your paper, you'll be able to put that inside your paper so that they check it and then give you the marks that you deserve. So make sure you know what you have to do so that you can get good marks. The next thing is about a soft skill, which is being confident. Confidence always works, guys. Even if you are a little bit lower on the kind of English you use while speaking, but if you are more confident, it appears to be more powerful, and that will fetch you more marks as compared to someone who's not so confident but very good at English. And last but not the least, guys, this is a very important thing that you can do which will help you very much, which is checking past papers and actually practicing them. Going through the past papers is a very important step for you, because that will give you the confidence, because if you're able to score good in the papers which have been coming for the past years, there's a guarantee or even a big probability that you'll be scoring very good in the coming paper as well. So don't worry a lot, guys. If you follow these steps, it will be perfect and very easy for you to get a very good score. And getting a 7 band is not at all difficult. Just be confident, focused and know what you're doing. Everything will be sorted out. If you have any other doubts, or if you're looking for any kind of coaching related to the IELTS exam, make sure you contact us with the help of the description box given below. We at Grad Dreams provide IELTS coaching and also one-on-one advisory sessions for anyone who's planning to study abroad. If you like the content as well, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as well. And for any other doubts, you can let us know in the comment section given below. Last but not the least, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.